So our video for project number 9 of streaming the yaw, pitch, and roll over Bluetooth instead of the Wi-Fi. So functionally on our board nothing has changed. We still have the IMU connected up over serial to the Arduino, and the Arduino sending that data to the Raspberry Pi via this USB cable. So the differences happen over here on the actual Raspberry Pi internally and how we're connecting to our Raspberry Pi. So you can see here in my Bluetooth manager, I'm connected to the Raspberry Pi via Bluetooth. So the script we're about to run is this one right here that connects to serial on the dev tty.raspberry-pi. That is our Bluetooth port. Using the baud rate you can see there, I think that should actually be 11.5.200, but it hasn't posed any problems yet, but I might change that later and find out. So we flush the serial ports, and then while true, we read from it and just print that out to the screen. So alternatively, the code we have running on our Raspberry Pi is this one you can see here. We have a send serial function that just waits for this dev RFCOM1 port to exist. And if it doesn't, it just sleeps forever, and once it finds it, it starts reading from dev tty USB 0 and just starts sending that over the previously looked for RFCOM1, which is how we're streaming the yaw, pitch, and roll from the Arduino, or from the Raspberry Pi to us via Bluetooth. And then we'll just send that forever, and if something crashes or we disconnect, we'll just run it again and just continue doing that forever. So if we go back over to our first terminal, and I close out of this, so if I run that script, we should see output come up in just a second. So orientation sensor test. So the same stuff we saw last time, which is just running over Bluetooth now. So now we'll take it outside and test it and make sure that it still works.
Okay, going.